a water truck. How nice it looks on the road. Today I will draw this water truck. Let's start drawing the truck. First, I'm starting with the wheels. Now I am drawing the structure of the truck. Please like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Now I am drawing a water tank. Now we'll paint. Yellow. Blue. Brown. Purple. Red. Green.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Pink.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish,
Orange.
all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.